Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Makeover with Yashika. My name is Yashika Verma and today I am recreating this absolutely stunning red carpet glam look. That's all about glowing skin, soft eyes and a bold lips. This look screams elegance and is perfect for parties, weddings or even a glam night out. So if you love soft glam and radiant skin, keep watching. The first step of every makeup is a moisturizer. So I am using Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer. This is amazing moisturizer for the oily skin, doesn't feel heavy on the skin and give you a hydrating base. After applying moisturizer, I leave it for a few seconds and now I am going to apply a foundation. This foundation is a very heavy coverage, so I am taking a very little amount of this foundation and blending it all over my face. The foundation that I am using here is Forever 52. Firstly, I'm going to apply the foundation with a brush because this brush is amazing, doesn't absorb so much of product, and I took a little amount of the foundation and then spreading it all over my face and of course on the neck too. After that, I am using Damn Beauty sponge to keep the skin looking skin like. I don't want any harsh lines or any extra product on my face. That's why I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. Now it's time to add some dimension to my face using a cream contour. This is from Sugar Cosmetic. It's clearly visible in Jacqueline photos that she did a contour to that lifted effects. That's why I'm using a contouring and I'm just going to apply it right under my cheekbones along to the jawline and on the top of the forehead to create that soft and lifted effect, and I'm also going to contour my nose and lips. I'm taking a very light brown shade and now I'm going to blend it with a brush, and then after that I'm going to use a beauty blender to get the blended effect, and it will not look harsh if you are blending everything with a beauty blenders. That gives you a natural, it doesn't look unnatural when you are blending your foundation, contouring or blusher with your beauty blender. So it's must, if you are applying your contouring, just blend it with your beauty blender and you will see the difference by your own. Now moving on to one of my favorite step in the makeup is a cream blush. I am applying a blush with my fingers. This is a Swiss Beauty lip palette and I just love this color as a blush. So I am using my finger and I'm just going to blend it with a Damn Beauty blender for that fresh natural flush. I applied on my cheeks and slightly blending it towards my temple for that fresh natural look. Now it's time for highlighting my face and of course the brightening up my T-zone or the highlights my high points of my face. So I am using a concealer which is a one tone lighter than my skin tone. This is from Forever 52. The shade is 004. I just love this concealer because it's not so heavy and conceal everything very amazingly and give you a HD look. So this is my way to apply a concealer on my face for the brightening effect. Now it's time to blend everything out. So firstly I'm going to spray a little amount of makeup fixer so that it gives amazing effect to my face, and of course my concealer will blend smoothly. So this is my trick to apply the concealer. सबसे पहले मैं अपने पूरे फेस का कंसीलर को अच्छे से ब्लेंड करती हूँ एंड लास्ट में मैं अपने अंडर आइज़ के कंसीलर को अच्छे से ब्लेंड करूँगी, बिकॉज जितना मैं अपने पूरे फेस पे ब्लेंडिंग करूँगी इतने में थोड़ा सा अंडर आइज़ का थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो जाएगा एंड गिव मी अ मोर कवरेज. Now it's time to set the base in the place. I am using K Beauty by Katrina translucent powder. This translucent powder feels so light on the face and set your base for the whole day long. I set everything with this powder just to avoid creasing and without killing the glow. Brows are super important in this look. They are defined but soft. I am using MyGlamm eyebrow definer to define my eyebrows. This definer has an amazing applicator and define my eyebrows in just a second. Her eyes makeup is so soft yet defined. I am using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette for the crease and just a mix of soft brown. As you can see in my videos that I am making a C to define my crease line. The first I am using a soft brown shade and then after that taking a dark brown shade just to define it more, and I'm just blending it in the shape of C. After that, I'm going to clean my brush with the back of my hand and going to blend everything out. Then I applied a shimmery nude shade on the lid using my fingers for the natural glow. Now moving to the next step, I'm using Sugar Pop eyeliner. So I am going to apply it near to my lash line because I'm not going to apply false lashes. That's why I am using very near to my lash line. Then finishing off with 2 quart of mascara. This from is Swiss Beauty. I just love this mascara. This is long lasting and give you a fluttery effect. Then I use a shimmer and just placing under my eyes to complete this look. The next step, I am going to finish my makeup with a powder contouring and a powder blush. I think this is the favorite step of every girl is to applying a highlighter on their face. I'm applying the highlighter on the high points of my face. Now moving to the next step, this bold berry red lips ties everything together. Firstly, I outline my lips with the Swiss Beauty lip liner and then I mix 2-3 shades to make that berry red lips. But when I am editing this video, I'll comes to know that this is not the same shade what she applied. But overall, this shade looks amazing. It's such a classy and timeless color and it complements the skin. मैं थोड़ा सा हेयर स्टाइल उनका जैसा बनाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. सो ये थोड़ा सा मैं सिंपल वे में अपने हेयर स्टाइल को बना रही हूँ. आई डोंट हैव एग्जैक्टली सेम ज्वेलरी बट मैंने कहीं ना कहीं से जुगाड़ करके ये थोड़ा सा सेम ज्वेलरी लेने की कोशिश की है. एंड हेयर इज़ माई फाइनल लुक. So this is my version of red carpet glam. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you love this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your glam squad and of course subscribe for more celebrity inspired makeup look. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. I will see you next time with another gorgeous celebrity inspired makeup look. Bye.